Again, good afternoon, grade 9. Please turn on your camera.
Afternoon, sir.
Okay. Supposed to be, again, we'll have now the um, item analysis. But then again, Margie is, I think the interconnection Margie is not stable. Only UMD is actually
Yes, sir.
left here. So I might as well reschedule or postpone the item analysis. But then again, MD, I will just give the task to you. Please tell your classmates that there is a must, attendance is a must during the item analysis, right? Because this time we will give the first
Is
yes, and
Sir, when is it gonna be, sir? So I can tell them.
that will be next week, next meeting,
Okay.
next meeting. Okay, it's a must. Attendance is a must. At the same time, please tell your classmates, including you, to prepare for our next topic. Our next topic would be for grade 9. It's hang on, just give me a second. Maybe some of your classmates are not yet in the city, they're still in the province. That is why. Okay. Please tell your classmates to prepare for our topic. Our topic for next, for this quarter, the third quarter, um, module 1 is volcanoes. Okay. It's all about volcanoes, the formations, how the volcanoes erupt, and all of those types of volcanoes. Okay. Just tell your classmates to prepare. Am I making that clear, MD?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's postpone again the item analysis since it's one-on-one. I cannot do it one-on-one. I need to share it in the class. Right? Thank you for your time, MD. Again, the tasks are given to you. Please give me an update after. Right? Thank you for your time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.